guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khrystina, and as you can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be testing out all new makeup that I have bought. Majority of actually half of it is from this website called Hush. I am a first-time Hush shopper. I actually did not know anything about Hush until about 2 weeks ago. And the other half of everything is from NYX. I'm going to show you guys quickly what I got. I think I only showed you 2 palettes as I was doing the tutorial, but I'm going to show you guys the rest. So let's start with, actually, you know what, just go with what's in front of me. So first I have the After Dark. Actually, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you've already seen some of these things already. So if you do not follow me on Snapchat, go ahead and follow your girl. Wherever I put it, make sure you follow me on IG and Snapchat. You'll see it first there. But one of the palettes that I got from the company Bad Habit, I got their After Dark palette, which is extremely beautiful. And apparently these are supposed to be dupe of the Heyy Beauty palettes. I think it's really, really gorgeous. I mean, the quality of them compared to this in Heyy, the pigment is great. They're there. The only thing that I can complain about these shadows is that it picks up a lot of powder when you put the brush in, but I'm fine with that. I literally got 4 palettes for $36, so I'm not even mad. And I got like 3 free things, so your girl's good. I also got the Afterglow palette, which is this gorgeous palette, which is what we used today to create this look that we have for you guys. Also got the After Party palette, which is also another gorgeous palette right here. The Aftershock, and that is this gorgeous palette right here. I will be playing in this palette very soon. It was very tempting between that one and the Afterglow. I had to pick between the two, and as you guys can tell, I picked the Afterglow. But the Aftershock, ooh, I can't wait to use it. It's gonna be so good, so good. I can't wait. Alright, you guys, but that is everything that I got off the app Hush. I believe I'll show you guys everything else that I got from Ulta in the tutorial. So, you guys ready to see how I got to this look? Then, enjoy. So, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer. I used this in my last makeup tutorial that you guys should have already seen. I'm going to use it in this one too as well, just because I'm still testing out this to see if I like it. I do know that you have to work quick when spreading this out, and layering it on top of like putting more on is like no. I really want to use the Afterglow today, which is this one right here, which is super gorgeous and peachy. I think this is what I am vibing off of, so this is what we're going to use. I'm going to take the color Glee, which is this one over here in the corner, and I'm just going to sweep that into my crease. Go into the color Bloom, which is in the center here, and I want to take and put that in the crease as well. The color Beam, which is down here, I want to put it into the outer crease and the outer V area. I might have to pull another palette for something a little darker depending on how this looks. And this isn't quite what I was doing. Dark, because we have Afterglow right now. I'm going to look at After Dark and see what deeper oranges they have that I can pull into the crease, or something that we can work with. So there's this brown, the door's closed, and there's this purple. Yeah, so the purple is all done. So what I'm going to do now is I want to cut my crease. So we're going to cut the crease. See, I told y'all last video, I got a cut crease coming for y'all. Told you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm going to hold my eye how I naturally do. And then I'm going to follow that line. Back into the Afterglow palette, and I want to take, I don't know if I want to take Luster or Brilliant. Let's see what this wash like. All right, let's take Luster. I want to get a packing brush once I find it. The struggle is real today, you guys. To the color Luster, which is up here top, and I'm going to put that into my lid space. So now I'm going to go ahead and wing my eyes. My cut crease isn't quite cut, I feel like. It's not up high enough. So I'm just gonna make it look like a cut crease with the eyeliner. I got my two little baby wingies going on. I want to go, and I really want to use this orange, but I'm scared it's gonna get lost. And I also have this yellow. I'm gonna try this orange first. I'm gonna see what this orange does, and then we'll adjust from there. And then my hand is so nervous. Okay. Laying down. See it, but you can't see it, so I'm just gonna go in with this yellow instead. My hand is literally so shaky because I haven't done this in so long with this kind of brush. My eye a little bit there.
No.
But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little. I think I wanna bring it down. Yeah. Oh, I just messed up so much. Oh my God, I gotta get a Q-tip. So I'm gonna go on and do the rest of the face now before we do our under eye. I'm going to prime my face with my favorite. And if you watch my makeup tutorials, you know what my favorite is. It's just all this noise in the background today. Why not? Who cares? My favorite is the Heyy Beauty primer. Oh, my face feels so dry today. New, like I told you guys. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is 24-hour matte foundation. This is new. This is an NYX collaboration with Alyssa Forever. Is her name Alyssa Forever? I think that's her name. And it says shake well on the back, so we're gonna shake it. I have it in the shade Honey. Honey, 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 honey. The thing I noticed about this foundation inside of Ulta was that it was very like liquidy. So I know that I do not need a lot of this. Like one pump should be enough for my whole face. And if I'm not mistaken, this is full coverage as well. So we'll see how full coverage that is. Alrighty. Who is blowing you up today? They're like, hey bro, what's going on? I get to defer my lunch for 1 more year too. But I literally can't afford it now. I actually could not have afforded any of these years. With one layer. And we need to put on some more. I don't know what full coverage this is, but this ain't it. It's a nice color. It's a nice color, but no. I'm gonna try with the brush for the second layer. Maybe it's the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna try with my Sigma brush. This is one of my favorite brushes to like put on foundation with. Now, I rarely use a brush to put on a foundation, but I prefer my Fenty Sponge Beauty Blender. I'm gonna use my NARS concealer. It's one of my favorites. Super pale. We're gonna go ahead and contour. One of my favorites. These planets right here. Ooh, the Fenty concealer stick, and I believe I have it in the color Truffle. guys, so that is all that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments about anything, please comment them all down below. And subscribe to my channel for more makeup looks. I have a lot of videos planned for you guys. I'm trying to do a video a week. So until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys next week.